I just finished reinforcing this table, and now I'm moving it to its final position, but there is some stuff behind, so it's work in progress still, but I am close to the finish. What I did, I put some pillars from behind, so it's not like just this. This is 2.5 by 2.5 centimeters. From backside it's 3 by 3 centimeters. One is horizontally here, vertically here, one horizontally, one vertically, and here is one vertical. So it's really good, like I think. And again, I have my finger over microphone, so you don't know what I just said, but it wasn't important. It was something about how big are those tables. I did it high enough, so from the floor to the top of the table it's 100 centimeters, which is what I wanted to have, and it was so high when it was like one piece. Now I have instead one huge table. I have two. It's still like, it's still deep enough to be okay table. Also, I think when you are doing such things, best thing you can do is do it like crazy big, because it will make you to finish it. If you do it little, you will put it somewhere to the side and never finish. At least in my case this worked, because I was unable to live around this big construction because I have very limited space, and that's why there is some space under. It will be like shelf or something like that. Maybe I will remove those beams because they are not so necessary. Now when the table is smaller, and I think I will not put something really heavy on it. Maybe I can put some board like here to make it stronger, so then I don't need those beams. So that's it. It was a big project. There is some glue running. It's dried. It was just I put there too much, so there it was like spot on. I can clean it. It's easy. Just blade and like cut it under the glue, but maybe I will let it as it is because nobody can see it, so it's fine, I think.